पतिं सुरगुरुं वन्दे जगत्कारणं वन्दे पन्नगभूषणं शशिधरं वन्दे पशूनां पतिं वन्दे सूर्यशशाङ्कवह्निनयनं वन्दे मुकुन्दप्रियं वन्दे भक्तजन आश्रयं च वरदं वन्दे भक्तजन आश्रयं च वरदं वन्दे शिवं शङ्करम्. Friends, we are all very familiar with the Bhagavad Gita. The very first scene we find Arjuna depressed. He does not want to fight. He does not want to kill his masters, his elders, his cousins. Krishna is angry. This is psychic weakness. Mr. Arjuna, you say you are going to kill. No, they have already been killed. Nihataha purvameva nimittamatram bhava sabyasachi. Who are you to kill, man? Even if you want to kill, you cannot kill. It is done by me. I am the doer. You are but an instrument. In society, we come across several people. I have built the institution. I have built a beautiful building. I have cooked the food. If you have cooked the food, are you the stove? Are you the fire? Are you the vessel? Are you the liquid? Who are you to cook? Just as the fire is an instrument, vessel is an instrument, spoon is an instrument, you are also an instrument in my hands. Nimitta matram bhava sabyasachi. You are only an instrument. You say you will kill, you will kill. You won't do it. Your arrow does it. That arrow is an instrument in your hand. You are an instrument in my hand. I have built the house. Are you a mason? No. Are you a coolie? No. What did you do? How can you say I have built the house? You are but an instrument. There are people owning the prestige. I have built a huge institution. Who are you to build? There are colleagues, there are servants, there are sweepers, there are friends, there are relatives, there are workers. So many people, the five elements. The earth has to cooperate, water has to cooperate, sky has to cooperate, wind has to cooperate, workers have to cooperate. If all the people come together, and there is a huge institution. Similarly, to kill also, so many people have to cooperate. To prepare food, so many people have to come together. It is a team spirit. It's not a single individual's work. And there is a master behind everything. And that supreme master is myself, the Atman. Nehataha purvameva. Earlier I have already killed them. You are only to switch on. Just as your arrow and bow are an instrument in your hands, you are an instrument in my hand. Yogasthaha kuru karmani. Therefore, Mr. Arjun, be established in yoga and be a performer as an instrument in my hands. And Arjuna listened, and he said finally, all right, I surrender my all at your feet. As you say, I obey. Whatever is your instruction, this body which is a tool, this body, mind, intellect, equipment which is a tool, will observe, will obey. The Inde Mahabharata was over. Krishna was the supreme master. Arjuna was the instrument. But slowly, Arjuna was getting back his ahankara. When Bhishma fell down, Arjuna felt, very good, I am capable of bringing the old man down. When Drona died, Arjuna felt, oh, wonderful, the old master is now killed. When Ashwatthama was driven away, when Duryodhana was beaten, when Karna was smashed, killed, Arjuna was very tipsy. He was, I have done it. I have done it. Mahabharata Yuddha came to an end. Krishna was observing Arjuna's haughtiness. Arjuna was slowly getting intoxicated with victory, Vijaya. And Arjuna requested Krishna, "My dear Krishna," "Yes, my boss, what shall I do? I have been the victorious Vijaya after the 18th day's war. I killed everyone. I want to see how many people have been killed by me. How many heads are rolling? How many heads are floating in the flood of blood? Take the chariot, go round the battlefield. I want to see how victorious I am. How beautifully I have built the institution. How wonderfully I have prepared my brinjal curry. I want to taste it. I want to enjoy what I have done." Krishna looked at it. First day you did not want to fight, and you fought, and first you did not want to drink, and then slowly, sip after sip, drop after drop, you drank. One full bottle is over, second bottle was also over. Victory got into your head. Whiskey victory. Victory is Vijaya. Whiskey is liquid. Both are equal. And that haughtiness, that pride, that conceit, that ahankara, that Vijaya has gone to his head. Go around the battlefield. Yes, boss. Krishna was riding and Vijaya was looking at the battlefield. So many people, one after the other. This is the building I built. This is the hall I constructed. That is the auditorium I did it. That is the fellow I have killed. This is how he was describing his own past glory. They have come to the end of the Kurukshetra field. At a distance, there was a tall tree. Arjuna asked, Krishna, stop. Yes, I find a tall tree. Yes, there is a tree. On the top of the tree, I find somebody sitting, still, alive, not dead. He is not killed by me. How is it I have not seen him? Take the chariot there. Krishna took the vehicle to the foot of the tree. Arjuna looked. Who is there on the top of the tree? Come down. The man came. And he has some instrument in his hands. A camera. A video camera. Arjuna was surprised. Who are you, man? What is that machine in your hand? Sir, my name is Barbarika, sir. Good. What is that instrument in your hand? Now I do not know. In those days, it is called Chitragupta, sir. Gupta means preserver, sir. Chitra means picture, sir. Chitragupta means the picture preserver, sir. Video camera, sir. I see. What are you doing sitting on the top? Krishna, who is this fellow? He does not know. Krishna now tells, my dear Arjun, his name is Barbarika. He is a very good devotee. He did tapasya. Gods appeared before him. They wanted him to ask for a boon. Do you know what Barbarika said? I want to be a good fighter, a powerful fighter. And I want to enjoy the sweetness of defeat, not success. See yoga. There are people who want to enjoy success. But here is a man, Barbarika, he wants to enjoy the sweetness of failure. To a yogi, success is sweet. Failure is also sweet. Kunti Devi made a prayer. She said, Krishna, give me suffering. Give me difficulties so that I remember you always. Remembrance of the Lord is important to me. Suffering is immaterial. Because in sufferings only I remember you, I want sufferings. Give me more and more suffering. Strange prayers. Ram and Lakshman were young boys, Bharata, Shatrugna. All the four were young boys. They were playing very often, tennis in those days. Singles, doubles. One day, Bharata and Rama were playing singles tennis. Ram came. Very, very happy, jumping, playing, whistling. Kausalya asked, my boy, what happened? Did you get any medal? Did you get any gold certificate? Did you get any reward, Bharata Ratna? What is this cause for your happiness? Ram says, a boy of 10 years, Ma, I am very happy today. In the singles tennis match, my brother Bharata has won. I got the failure. Rama is able to enjoy the sweetness of failure. Next day, Bharata came to Kausalya. Bharata was dull, he was depressed, he was sorrowful. Kausalya asked, my boy, what's wrong with you? Has anyone scolded you? Has anyone beaten you? Has anyone criticized you? What has happened? And Bharata says, Ma, for the past 3 days I have been observing. My brother Rama is always failing. He is giving me success after success after success. This pains me. See the friendship, see the brotherhood, see the love. Rama wants Bharata to win. Bharata wants Rama to win. Barbarika wants, I want to be always fighting, but the opponent must be successful always. Whoever is standing against me, whoever is fighting opposite to me, he must be successful. I will enjoy the sweetness of failure. Once, in the examination hall, one boy, a genius, he was very bright student, intermediate, and he had a girlfriend. He wrote her number, register number on his paper. Next day, next year, that girl went to the medical college because of the marks obtained by the friend. He failed in the examination, his girlfriend passed. There are people who take delight in failure. Mother prays for the success of the child. Pativrata prays for the success of the husband. Indian culture, yogic culture is to enjoy success and failure, never to get intoxicated in victory, never to own anything, that Vijaya should not get intoxicated. That is our culture. Now Arjuna has looked at that Barbarika. He asked Krishna, why is this man standing there? I asked him to sit there. Why did you ask him to stand there? If he fights on our side, Duryodhana will win. If he fights on Duryodhana's side, Shakuni will not allow him to fight that side, we will win. Therefore, I asked him, don't fight in either side. Sit there and do what? Take a camera. Take the entire proceedings like our Murali. He will be taking down each day the camera and the recordings. And right from day one Mahabharata Yuddha, he was sitting on the top of the tree. What was he doing? Taking the full proceedings, recording the proceedings. Then Arjuna said, first day when I was sorrowful, that was also taken. Yes. When you taught me Bhagavad Gita, that was also taken. Yes. When I declared Nasto Moha Smrutir Labdha, that was also recorded. Yes. When I was killing Karna, that was also recorded. Mr. Barbarika, I could not look at my face always. There are certain people, the car, they have a mirror sitting in the back seat. They will be enjoying the charm of their own face. Before coming to Maitri Milan, we look at our face in the mirror, tilt the eyebrows, wet the lips, look at ourselves. Oh, wonderful man. Oh, we come here. We love ourselves. Now Vijaya says, I love myself while fighting against Karna, while killing that man, this man. How brave I was, how bold I was, how strong I was, how victorious I was, how chivalrous I was, how furious I was, how threatening I was, how my eyes were, how red they were. I want to see those photographs. Mr. Barbarica, yes sir. Do you replay it? Yes sir, I can replay it sir. Then, Mr. Barbarica, show me your video camera, entire proceedings right from day 1 to this moment, 18 days of Mahabharata Yuddha. Please show on the screen my fighting greatness. Barbarica said, sir, you want to see? Yes. You have taken my photograph? Yes, I have taken, sir. But sir, in this camera, sir, only the fighter's photograph is taken, others' photographs are not taken. I am the fighter man. No sir, you are not the fighter. Then who fought? That man sir. Sri Krishna sir. What do you have in the camera? Only one person sir, and that is Krishna. Right from day 1 till this day, this camera has this scanning eye. It takes only one person, whoever is active, whoever is doer, whoever is speaker, whoever is fighter, whoever is sutradhari, whoever is producer, whoever is director, whoever is all in all. That Paramatma, Sri Krishna, Yogeshwara, only one person is the architect of the entire universe. Only that photograph is taken, sir. If you want, I will play it. What a man you are. I fought Kirna, but you said you are only an instrument, nimitta matram bhava sabyasachi. To such Vijaya, intoxication came up to his head. We petty people, small people, we make a charity of 5 rupees, publicity for 500 rupees. We make a gift for 5,000 rupees and we advertise in the Hindu newspaper spending 5 lakhs of rupees. We are egoistic. Ahankara Rahitya is the goal of life. Be you a yogi. Tasmat yogi bhava Arjuna. Do everything without ahankara. Be detached. Nimitta matram bhava sabyasachi. Sri Krishna says to Arjuna, in spite of his repeated instruction, Arjuna got a little intoxicated.